I'm Mortis, the CTOL director, and today I'm going to show you how to create an appointment on Canvas. You can use appointments for group appointments. Maybe you do conferences with your project groups, or maybe you want to have different signups for students to meet with you. We're going to go to our Canvas course. On the left, Global Navigation in dark blue, click Calendar. We can check the name of the calendar that we want to see. If you don't want to see all of your calendars, then you can uncheck those boxes. Click the plus button here where it says Create New Event. And instead of event, I'm going to select Appointment Group. Now, in my case, I'm going to create a workshop that faculty can sign up for. If you are creating several appointments within a time frame, then it's the same process. You'll just create smaller increments of time. I'm going to call this a workshop, or it's a webinar, a conversation about AI and cheating. I'm going to hold this November the 11th. I'm going to do it at 9 a.m. to 9:50 a.m. And the location is going to be Dickey Hall. CTOL faculty comments. I'm going to make this a 50-minute event. And I'm going to, let's see, how many do I want to be able to reserve? In my case, I'm going to put 30 users, so this means that I can have up to 30 attendees for this workshop. Now, if I'm making this an appointment, I might only select one user because I have individual 30-minute appointments or 20-minute appointments with students. Now, if you're going to have several time slots between a range, then you can allow, if you want them to see who has signed up, but you don't have to make that available. Let's see, it says limit participants to attend one appointment. So in this case, yeah, I only have one appointment anyway. Maybe they need more than 30 minutes, so allow a student to sign up for 30-minute appointments, then they would have a whole hour with you individually. So let's look at details. Let's talk about generative AI and how students using it. Now I have my details here. Now I'm going to select my calendar, which is going to be the 21st century course. Okay, done. And let me just look at what I've written here and then publish. I have this event created. It appears on my calendar. If I had more calendars shown, so for example, I had this course, I don't have anything in those courses, but this will show all of your events here. And now when I go in as a student, so let's go back to the courses. I'm going to go to student view. From the student view, I'll go to my calendar. So your students will go to their calendar. They will click on the calendar for the course if they want to. They can also go here to where it says find appointment, and it will have the different courses that have appointments in them. Click submit, and then they'll be able to see their appointment here, and they can sign up here. The students can leave a comment if they want, and then they're going to click the reserve button. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Let me leave the student view so you can see what it looks like on your end. Now, when I look at this, I can see that I have 2 people that have signed up. I can click on it again, and I can see my attendees list here. That is how you create an appointment that students can sign up to in Canvas.